Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, Everything Natural Remedies. If this is your first time on my channel, please endeavor to subscribe to this channel. If you have been watching helpful and useful videos on this channel and you've never subscribed, please do subscribe now. If you're a returning subscriber, well, thank you and welcome back to the family. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get soft and pink lips using baking soda, a teaspoon, a mixing bowl, and honey. Let's get started. We are going to be needing 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We are going to be needing 1 teaspoon of honey.
No pants. Your G-string is not allowed in my condo. Rude girl, look sharp. 10 toes as you bend for my bedroom. I want you to come. I want you to come to my house and be blessed.
Alright guys, we are going to be mixing till we get the right concentration.
For your P is a magical thing. Big man thing is a radical P on the big man thing. Why you can't do like say you know? Make I come and touch your
tonight. Get between your thighs, give it to you right, girl. I'm just trying to slide in tonight. Give you how you like.
Alright guys, welcome back. Now we have our right concentration. Of course you can see that this is the kind of concentration we should get. So let's go on and apply.
Let a real nigga contour see. Hey God, yawa day. Problem day. Which kind girl can come my way?
Alright guys, so welcome back after 5 minutes. We'll then go ahead and wash up this mixture. So guys, do not forget to apply a lip balm after you wash up this mixture. But for me, I'm going to be applying a moisturizer and I'm going to be using castor oil to do that. Alright guys, like I said, I'm going to be using castor oil as my moisturizer to apply to my lip after I washed off the mixture. Yeah. So guys, you can see how attractive my supposed lip is looking. So ideally you are supposed to try this 3 to 4 times in a week for 4 weeks to get or see desired results. Alright guys, this is all there is to this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share this video with your friends. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, give us a huge thumbs up. Till I see you next time. Bye bye.